Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the JRCO tool attaching system. So the JRCO system will accommodate really any zero turn. So there's a different mounting plate based on your model. So it's specific to your model as far as the mounting plate that attaches to your zero turn. Once you have that toolbar attached, you can accommodate a lot of different attachments. Here I'm showing the leaf pusher and the blower buggy, but they do have an aerator, dethatcher, spreader. So there are a lot of different attachments that you can add once you have your toolbar system. So the toolbar, all the attachments attached with a couple pins, so it's very easy to switch from one to the other. These have been two of our most popular attachments. So this is kind of maybe a lower tech way that's still very efficient. So this, if you're looking to push your leaves into a pile to get to like your truck loader, for example, this leaf pusher, you know, with the little bit of scoops on the end, this will move a mountain of leaves. It just rides on a couple swivel casters in the back, and it does have spring tines on the bottom, so if you hit a high spot, it's not going to do damage to the turf. But basically it's designed to ride, you know, a couple inches up off the turf so you're not scraping into the grass. So if you're just looking to move a lot of leaves, get them moved over to a pile or to your other equipment, this is a great tool. Very, very, very efficient. Another popular leaf attachment is the blower buggy. So the blower buggy attaches to the toolbar, and it'll accommodate any blower. It's easily adjustable. Wheel mounting plates, and you just strap your blower in. You know, so basically you have to provide the blower, but you know, whatever blower you have, it will attach in, rides on the swivel casters up front. So anybody that's pushed a big wheel blower, doesn't matter how big the wheels are, it'll wear you out, especially going up and down, you know, some little hills. So this, you let the zero turn do the pushing. You get the performance of your blower with a lot less operator fatigue. So it's a very cost-effective way to handle some of those bigger properties and not wear out the employees. So the JRCO's been out a long time, very simple, efficient tool systems. So depending on what your application may be, you can start with one attachment, then pick up other ones down the road. So it gives you a lot of versatility on your current zero-turn mowers. So that's a little bit about the JRCO. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, everything.